Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Okay, it's nice to have you here again. I'm Mr. Michael. In our previous class, we talked about irregular plural nouns. Now if you look at the board, you will see that we have an exercise. I would like us to do this together. But before we do this, I would like us to go back to what we did in the previous class so I can refresh your memory on irregular plural nouns. So when you check here, as you can see, we have irregular plural nouns written on the board. It's the singular and the plural. We are going to go through this together so I can refresh your memory, then we'll attempt the exercise on the board too. Repeat after me. Sheep, 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 sheep. As you can see, the single word sheep did not change when it comes to the plural. It's still the same. Why is it so? It is so because it is an irregular noun. Sheep, sheep. This sheep is an animal. So the plural for the sheep remains the same as the singular. Viter, viter, vitae, vitae. Say it again. Viter, viter, vitae, vitae. Now, I want to talk about singular word for viter. We are looking at what someone is good at, what the person is good at doing. Then when you talk about the plural vitae, it means the person has many things he or she is good at. The person can swim, the person is good academically, the person can cook, many things the person is good at. Number 3, tuner, 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 tuner. As you can see here, your tuner did not change. Tuner is a fish. Hope you know that. So tuner, tuner. Let's go to number 4. Bison, 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 bison. A bison is an animal, is a wild ox. Bison, bison. As you can see, the way it's written in the singular form is also the same way it's written in the plural form. Okay, let's go to number 5. Curriculum. Can you say that? Curriculum. Let me hear you. Good. Curriculum. Now, the plural word for curriculum is curricular. Curricular. Now you can see that this word changed its form. It's no longer curriculum, but now curricular for the plural. This is because it is an irregular noun. Number 6, mouse, mouse, mice, mice. 1 mouse, 2 mice. 1 mouse, 2 mice. Number 7, goose. You know your goose. Fantastic. Goose. Geese. Geese. 1 goose, 2 geese. 1 goose, 2 geese. Number 8. Let me hear you. Apex. Apex. Apex has to do with the top of an object or a building. Apex, the height. Now, when you have many heights, the plural becomes apices. Let me hear you say that. Apices. Again. Good. Apices. Apices. Fantastic. For number 9, we have the word for the singular, elk. Elk. An elk is a deer. Elk. The plural still remain the same. Elk. 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 Let me hear you. Elk. Elk. Fantastic. Now, do not forget what I said earlier, that irregular plural nouns do not take form by adding s, es, or what have you. It takes its form by changing the word or by leaving the word the way it appears in the singular form. Now, let's go to the exercise on this part of the board. Let's do this together. Complete the sentences with the plural form of the word in brackets. Complete the sentences with the plural form of the word in brackets. We have singular words in brackets. We have child, foot, person, tuner, criterion, man. So now, you are going to provide the plural of this singular word irregular nouns. Number 1 says, the dash run to the park. The dash run to the park. So what is the plural word for child? Let me hear you. Fantastic. Children. Children. The plural of child is children. The children run to the park. The children run to the park. You can see that the singular word child has changed to children. This is because child is an irregular noun. Number 2, your dash have grown. You need new boots. Your dash have grown. You need new boots. What is the plural for the word foot? Foot. Foot. Fantastic. Feet. The plural for foot is feet. Your feet have grown. You need new boots. Your feet have grown. You need new boots. Number 3. Many dash will attend the show. Many dash will attend the show. Look at the word in bracket here, person as singular. So what do you think will be the plural for person? Fantastic. People. People. Many people will attend the show. Many people will attend the show. Can you say that? Many people will attend the show. Fantastic. Number 4 here. We are having dash casserole tonight. We are having dash casserole tonight. Tuner in brackets. What do you think is the plural for tuner? Wow, you're lovely. Tuner. Like I told you, the word doesn't change. It remains the same. So we are having tuna casserole tonight. Wow. We are having tuna casserole tonight. Number 5. We discussed the sauces dash together. We discussed the sauces dash together. We have as a singular word here, criterion. Criterion. Okay, I'll help you out with this. Now, the plural for criterion is criterial. Criterial. So this is a plural for the singular word criterion. We discussed the sauces criteria together. Let me hear you. We discussed the sauces criteria together. Fantastic. Number 6. The choir had merely dash in it. The choir had merely dash in it. We have as a singular word here, man. Man. So what's the plural for man? Good. Men. Men. The choir had merely men in it. Let me hear you. The choir had mainly men in it. Fantastic. I will give you lots of activities to do so you can get used to irregular plural nouns. Thank you, and have a great day.